we started working on bones and muscles, and then eventually transitioned to the digestive system. We had the amazing option of going to Intuitive Surgical with Dr. Champney, and we had a chance to get to see the Da Vinci surgical machines, which are used for laparoscopic surgery, see them in action, for my students to actually use the surgery devices, really trying to make the anatomy come to life.
As someone interested in going into the medical field, I have seen videos of the Da Vinci robot. I've seen like the price of the Da Vinci robot, and I just thought that's something I would never get to, like, let alone be in the same room as. Being able to actually use it, use the systems that, I had dreamed about using for such a long time was really incredible.
It was really cool to see like real world experience, like what like real surgeons do and how the world of surgery is like always evolving, and like what it's going to be like in like 20 years.
Just being able to make those connections from in-class learning to what's it like in the actual field definitely helped solidify what we were learning in class.
It's just cool to see all these things that you see like on the whiteboard, on the TV, that you talk about Mr. Hawkins. It doesn't just live inside of diagrams or on websites or in Canvas. Like, it's actually something real and tangible.
Our goal is to foster the curiosity of our students. Curiosity leads to discovery. Discovery helps shape the future innovators of tomorrow.